Welcome back. It's the DMV Wig Doctor. And girl, you see that little afro? Girl, we cornrowed that, honey. Child, we had to lay hands upon them cornrows. But the Wig Doctor, child, is a magician, okay? So now we have put on our full-length units and purchased at PureVirginMaine.com. This is the Peruvian hair. I believe this is about 20 inches. And girl, it is thick, honey. All right, we don't do them thin lace wigs over here. And now we are just showing you some of that scalp. Girl, you saw the back of that neck? Girl, that is real hair part. Okay, we give you nothing but scalp action, girl. And all right. Oh, I'm a single lady. Oh, I'm a single lady. Girl, child, this is Beyonce. How many? Girl, you better come on down to the Wig Doctor. Girl, we will turn anybody to a local celebrity. Come down to the Wig Doctor. Hair loss, thinning hair, or just want to get your swerve on, honey. Okay? Book at PureVirginMaine.com. Girl, you can't tell me them ain't her edges, okay?